Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Rosie Cooks. I made a banana oatmeal pancake. It came out really good. Let me show you how I made it. You're going to need a 9-inch skillet. That seems to be the perfect size, and you need it to have a lid. You set your fire to the medium-low setting. You can't really see my L for low. Put it in the middle of your medium-low on the flame. You're going to need 3 ripe bananas. If you don't have ripe bananas, at the end of this video, I will have a video that says how to ripen a banana. So you're going to slice it like this. You're going to slice 2 of them. The third one, just leave it to the side for now. Okay, now I have my food processor. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of rolled oats, and I'm going to pulse them, and I just made oat flour. So now to that, I'm adding 1 ripe banana, 2 eggs, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Now I'm going to pulse this, and I'm going to set this mixture to the side. Now I'm back to my skillet. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salted butter, and I'm going to coat the bottom of my skillet. Now I'm going to bring in all my sliced bananas. Now, depending on how big your bananas are, you might have a few extras. Just eat them. Coat the bottom with all your slices. Okay, now I'm going to get my liquid mixture, and I'm going to pour that on top of my bananas. Make sure you coat all of your bananas. So now I'm going to get the lid to my skillet. I'm going to cover it, and on that medium-low heat, I'm going to cook this for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I'm going to put a big plate, and then I'm going to flip it over very carefully onto the plate, and I'm going to bring it back to my skillet. Now I'm going to bring this up to the medium heat, cover it, and cook it another 5 minutes. And then at that point, I'm just going to put it on my plate, and I made a beautiful oatmeal banana pancake. And what I like to do is I like to drizzle it with honey, or you can use maple syrup, but it comes out really tasty and it's healthy. So this is my banana oatmeal pancake. Thanks for watching.